Hello, Yoboseo, Konnichiwa, Madi, Ni Hao. I'm Vince Mitchell, Business Development Manager for Aquasyn. One of the territories I'm responsible for is Asia. To all of our customers and distribution in Asia, Aquasyn and I would like to extend our best wishes to all of you during this very challenging time. Also, I want to assure you that Aquasyn is an essential company. We are open and we will continue to manufacture and support all of our customers worldwide. Since most of us have been asked to be at home during this time, we have found that video conferencing affords us the opportunity to interact and support our customers. I will be making myself available through video conferencing to support our products that are currently being used and to be a resource to you for any upcoming projects with regards to standard and custom diaphragm valve, standard and custom bleed and sample valves, and custom fabrications. Please contact me through our website at www.aquasyn.com to schedule a video conference, and at the end of this video, please continue to watch to see our product offering. Thank you for your time. Please continue to use all appropriate measures to keep yourself, your family, and your coworkers safe during this time. I look forward to seeing all of you very soon, and again, keep watching.